Good morning, students. Hope you are fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Madhuri from California Public School. Yes, students, today we are going to start our lesson number 5th, presentation visual effects. So here what is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides, and with the help of this presentation you can convey your ideas and concepts in the effective way. So in the presentation many types of visual effects we can add. So students, let's start reading of this chapter. Students, let us recall the basic concept of MS PowerPoint. A presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner. So what is a presentation? It is a collection of slides. Yes, presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner. Yes, these slides are arranged in a sequential manner, means in a sequence, one after another, to convey new ideas and impart information effectively. Yes, these presentations are used to convey new ideas and impart information, to add information effectively. So what is a slide here? Slide is like a page in a presentation containing the brief information that you want to communicate to your audience. Yes, slide is same like a simple page, and in that page we can write any information that we want to communicate with our audience. So in the previous class you learnt many features like adding pictures, shapes and charts to enhance the look of a presentation. So in this lesson you will learn some new features of PowerPoint 2010 that make the presentation more interesting. So you will know about the various views in which you can create and organize your presentation. जैसे कि पिछली क्लास में आपने रीड किया था, लर्न किया था अबाउट पिक्चर्स, शेप्स एंड चार्ट्स, और हम इनकी लुक को कैसे इन्हेंस कर सकते हैं. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल लर्न मोर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स और कंसेप्ट्स. यस, सो फर्स्ट and most important concept is applying animation effects. Yes, how you can apply animation effects to the presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint provides various tools and features to enhance the appearance of a presentation. Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint क्या provide करता है? Different tools and features to enhance means किसी चीज़ की look को अच्छा करना, the appearance of a presentation. ठीक है, इन टूल्स को हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, इन्हेंस कर सकते हैं. टूल्स को यूज़ करके हम अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन की लुक को और ज़्यादा अच्छा बना सकते हैं. सो द स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स असिस्ट यू इन मेकिंग योर प्रेजेंटेशन अट्रैक्टिव, इफेक्टिव, इंगेजिंग एंड प्रोफेशनल and create greater impact on the audience. Yes, so why we want to add these animation effects? What is the need for adding these animation effects? Yes, the need is by adding these animation effects our presentation will look attractive, effective दिखेगी, engage दिखेंगे and professional दिखेगी and greater impact डलेगा किसके ऊपर? audience के ऊपर. Yes, so the ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any direction of the slide is called animation. For example, I want to move some text on my presentation. So which effect I will add? I will add animation effect. Yes, इससे क्या होगा? मेरा टेक्स्ट या ग्राफिक चार्ट कुछ भी, कोई भी चीज़ इसको मैं मूव करवाना चाहती हूँ, so I can take the help of animation. So animate is quite beneficial when you wish to focus on important points. Yes, it is quite beneficial when you want to wish to focus on important points. अगर हमने कोई भी पॉइंट को हाईलाइट करना है तो हम उस पॉइंट को हाईलाइट किस फेज में कर सकते हैं? by adding animation effects. So it also control the sequence of the flow of information and helps in making information more impressive. Besides giving visual effects to your presentation, you can also sizzle up your slide objects, the text, picture, shapes, tables, smart art, graphics, etc. by applying sound effects. Yes, with animation effect we can also add sound effects to the picture, text, shape, table, to any object. So which steps we have to follow if we want to apply animation effects? Follow the given steps to apply animation effects to the slide object. First one is open any presentation. Select the object you want to animate. Firstly you will open your presentation. After that you will select object. Object means text, picture, chart, that where you want to insert animation. After that you have to click on the animation tab and you have to select the add animation button present in the advanced animation group. अपसाइड आप देखोगे प्रेजेंटेशन के ऊपर वहाँ पे टैब होती है एनिमेशन. यू हैव टू चूज दिस एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द ऐड एनिमेशन बटन. सो वन ग्रुप विल ओपन. After that, a drop down menu will appear with 4 different kinds of animation effects which are as follows. Yes, one menu will appear. From that you can choose any animation effect. Yes, there are many effects like entrance, exit, emphasis and motion path. So first one, what is entrance? As the name suggests, these effects decide the manner in which an object enters into a slide during the slideshow. These effects make an object fade gradually into focus, fly onto the slide from an edge and bounce into view and so on. Yes, by using this entrance effect, your text will fade gradually into focus, fly करेगा आपका text on the slide and it will bounce into view and so on. ये bounce करेगा आपका text, means स्क्रीन के ऊपर कभी इधर जाएगा, कभी नीचे जाएगा, then up side, left side, right side, ऐसे वो move करेगा, bounce करेगा आपका text. After that, second number is exit. These effects control the manner in which the object exit from the slide during the slideshow. Some of these effects are disappear, fade, fly out, fly in, etc. So these are the names of some animation that we can insert. After that, third number is emphasis. Emphasis means वो focus करेगा, किसी एक चीज़ के ऊपर focus करेगा, उसका size ग्रो करेगा, उसका कलर चेंज होगा. सो दीज इफेक्ट्स डिटरमिन हाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑन द स्लाइड ड्रॉ अटेंशन टू देमसेल्व्स ड्यूरिंग द स्लाइड शो. सो दीज इफेक्ट्स मेक एन ऑब्जेक्ट श्रिंक ऑन, ग्रो इन साइज, चेंज कलर और स्पिन ऑन इट्स सेंटर एट्सेट्रा. तो इस इफेक्ट्स में क्या होगा, आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो श्रिंक और ग्रो करेगा साइज में, उसका कलर चेंज होगा, वो स्पिन करेगा, कभी सेंटर में आएगा एट्सेट्रा. फोर्थ नंबर इज मोशन पाथ. So you can use these effects to make an object move up, down, left, right or in a star or in a circular pattern. इसमें क्या होगा, आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो मोशन में जाएगा, मीन्स वो कभी अप साइड, लेफ्ट साइड, डाउन साइड डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वे यू कैन इंसर्ट एनिमेशन इफेक्ट्स. Rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video. So take care students, have a wonderful day.